Once upon a time, in the heart of a golden savanna, lived a mighty lion who was the king of the jungle. He was strong and brave, but sometimes he was a little bit lonely. One sunny morning, while the lion was resting under a big, shady baobab tree, a clever little fox came trotting by. The fox had bright orange fur and a very bushy tail. He was known for being the smartest animal in the land. "Good morning, mighty king," the fox chirped, bowing low. The lion opened one big eye. "Who goes there?" he rumbled. "It is I, the fox," the little animal replied. "I see you look a bit bored today. Would you like to play a game of hide and seek?" The lion's ears perked up. He had never played hide and seek before. "I am the king. I can find anyone," he declared with a loud roar. The fox giggled. "We shall see. Close your eyes and count to 10. The lion covered his eyes with his giant paws. 1, 2, 3, The fox scrambled away. He didn't hide behind a rock or up a tree. Instead, he jumped into a patch of tall yellow grass that was the exact same color as his fur. 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. The lion stood up and looked around. He looked behind the watering hole. No fox. He looked inside a hollow log. No fox. He even looked up in the branches of the baobab tree. Still no fox. The lion huffed and puffed. Where could that clever fox be? Suddenly, he heard a tiny tee-hee coming from right under his nose. He looked down at the yellow grass, and their two bright eyes were peeking out. The lion laughed so hard the ground shook. "You tricked me, your fur is just like the grass." The fox jumped out, wagging his tail. "And you, great king, are very good at looking, even if I am very good at hiding." From that day on, the lion and the fox became the best of friends. The lion taught the fox how to be brave, and the fox taught the lion that being clever is just as important as being strong. And every afternoon you could hear them laughing and playing together under the big baobab tree.